Hey, welcome back to Drew's office. Somebody's been messing with our spreadsheet. They filled it out all wrong. This cell over here with the hash symbols, it just means we need to widen the column. Whenever we get a hash error message in Excel, our best chance of diagnosing the problem is to look in the formula bar. And with this one, we'll need to unpick this formula. We're asking VLOOKUP to find the date that's shown in D17. And we've told it to look in our table, which is cells A4 to F13. If VLOOKUP finds a match, it will return the item from column 3. And false means we're seeking an exact match. So the VLOOKUP formula itself is okay. But seeing that none of the order dates match the date in D17, VLOOKUP returns an error. Then we just need to enter a valid date in D17. In Excel, quite often an error code in one cell can cause an error code in a different cell. So if we fix the first hash value error, there's a good chance the second one will fix itself. In the formula bar, can you spot the issue? Excel cannot perform calculations with text values, hence the error message. Let's fix this formula to point to the correct cell. And wouldn't you know it, now we have 2 hash div errors. If I ever find out who's been messing with my spreadsheet, let's keep going. With this error, we can see that Excel is trying to divide a number by 0. And typically, this is the only time that you're going to see this error. And if we're unsure what the correct formula should be, it can be helpful to look at the cells nearby. To fix this one, we can just autofill down from the cell above. With the hash name error, let's check the formula bar. And we can see that our beloved colleague has tried to build a formula using the COUNTA function. If Excel doesn't recognize what we've typed, we get the hash name error. We just need to remove this space. With the hash null error, if we're using the sum function, our range from and to has to be separated by a colon. So I'm pretty sure it was my colleague Johnny who messed up this spreadsheet. I'm going to go and have a word.